A Cash App payment fails most often because the balance is too low, the card or bank is not connected properly, or Cash App blocks the transaction for security reasons. By the end of this, you'll know how to identify why your payment failed, how to fix the most common causes, and what settings usually stop payments from going through. Start by checking your Cash App balance. If the balance is lower than the payment amount, the transaction will fail instantly. Next, confirm the recipient details. A wrong cash tag, phone number, or email will stop the payment before it even processes. Now, open your Activity tab and look at the failed transaction. Cash App often shows a short reason like insufficient funds, declined bank, or security block. That message is the fastest way to understand what went wrong. Next, check your linked debit card or bank account. If your bank connection is inactive or outdated, Cash App will reject payments even if your balance looks fine. Now make sure your card isn't expired. An expired card still shows in your wallet, but will not process transactions. Next, check your internet connection at the time of payment. Weak or unstable connections can interrupt authorization and cause instant failure. Now look at your Cash App settings. If your card or account is locked, every outgoing payment will be blocked until you unlock it. Next, verify if you recently made multiple failed attempts. Repeated failures can trigger a temporary security hold on your account. Now check if the payment is being flagged as unusual. Large or unexpected transfers may be blocked automatically by Cash App's fraud system. Next, update the Cash App app. Older versions can cause payment processing errors or incorrect failure messages. Now log out and log back in. That refreshes your payment session and clears temporary glitches. If the payment still fails, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Network changes can sometimes bypass routing issues during checkout. Next, remove and re-add your linked bank or card if the issue keeps happening. That resets the connection between Cash App and your financial institution. If nothing works, contact your bank and ask if they are declining Cash App transactions. Many failures actually happen at the bank level, not inside Cash App. Then contact Cash App support with the exact time and error message. To sum it up, check your balance, verify your payment details, and confirm your bank connection is active. Next, focus on fixing the bank or card link before retrying payments. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Cash App fixes, payment troubleshooting, and everyday finance solutions.